Yeah, cool.
But you haven't had the glasses. T'as pas.
At the beginning, yeah, but at one moment.
Ça fait. Avec le strobo pour ouvrir tes yeux, c'est pas une bonne idée. Hein?
Ouais, c'est plus direct.
Ah oui, c'est hardcore.
C'est ça que. C'est comme écouter les concerts sans bouchon, quoi.
Ah oui, oui. Mais en fait, c'est pas la manière. Hein. Quand tu. Les yeux fermés, c'est la projection de tes cerveaux.
J'ai un peu tout essayé. J'ai essayé tous les cas de figure. Okay. J'ai essayé avec les yeux fermés, j'ai essayé avec les yeux ouverts, j'ai essayé en regardant autour de moi, j'ai essayé très rapide, j'ai essayé très lent, j'ai essayé plein de trucs. J'ai essayé un peu tous les trucs possibles. J'ai essayé en dessous, j'ai essayé au-dessus. C'est bien.
Normalement, c'est une trip.
Ja,
Pendant 20 minutes, mais alors tu étais en train d'expérimenter.
J'ai pas vu le.
Et pas être dedans.
J'ai pas vu le temps.
Oui.
Yeah.
Pour moi, c'est 5 minutes.
You can do it for an hour, and then you will never come out.
I can guess, yeah.
Intéressant. Intéressant. Très intéressant. Il y a quelque chose.
Je pense que c'est une très bonne thérapie, quoi. C'est très bon pour le moral aussi, quoi.
C'est bon pour le moral. What do you think,
Andrea? You're the person who understands it better than others.
Yeah.
Yeah,
At some point it mixed with the pictures from Oliel,
yeah.
Kind of what you have in his pictures, always in the background, this style of colors, and it was in the visuals somehow.
So you're mixing your brain making connections.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. But I didn't see anything.
No.
I thought maybe sometimes, I don't know, animals or demons appear.
Yeah, they will after time.
Demons.
After time, you will see
I like demons.
things there.
Some.
Your personal.
I know the books. Yeah, but didn't happen.
Maybe it's a good idea. Other frequencies there.
Oh, yeah. There are some special frequencies for demon rising.
Could be an idea to take the sigil of a special, like Goetia or Lemegeton. The seals of a demon. Like, brain.
If I know
or whatever.
If I know
there
are several frequencies.
Symbols, and
there are several frequencies I put not on this.
Yes, sigil, yeah.
I haven't put on this one.
Okay.
This is the basic. I have like so much other sequences to behave with this installation. So this is not the light version.
Things you can do. the other thing is I think that really works is you combine it with your Kundalini, you know, the breathe and the body work from
Oh, yeah.
and of
That's
course
what
some
we wanted to put
vibrating
vibration
devices
device.
and this makes the body effect.
Yes.
I tried it a little bit with breathing and so on, and this combines very well.
That's also, we have the structure.
Yeah, that's
That
special
is not,
material. We cannot
like
find it anymore. I don't know where to buy
a
it.
bit abstract, absurd.
It's biological form, yeah.
Logic.
It's biological form. There is no angles, and it's like you inside an organism.
No angles. No economical.
Normally,
Yeah.
what you're saying to breathe, to make the Kundalini,
Yeah.
it's really possible. I don't have my other instrument.
Be interesting to have some like powerful bass maybe as well. You know, something that like adds some sub frequencies.
Yes.
You can hear them in the headphones, but if you could feel it as well.
Yeah,
You know? And like
yeah.
maybe
You're not the
speakers
first
everywhere, but
person
like
to say
Yeah.
that. We did that in Kortrijk.
you just put a sub.
Like the bass drum on techno.
No, we had that.
Yeah.
We had that. So we had several sub basses.
Yeah.
It was booming.
Yeah.
But
I think it would be
here,
because I think it would be interesting.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
but here we also can do that. But
Yeah,
not at
but
this
the problem
moment,
is it
sorry.
makes noise everywhere. But
There's one
But we
thing
did it in the past.
they used at therapy.
If you have.
It's a massage mat. It's a vibrating.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
we have
Ma-
to do that.
Wait, what massage
I
mat?
wonder
Yeah.
if it would be
Yeah.
interesting as
Yeah,
well.
yeah,
And,
that's
this is
Like the
you
holding
can
the
program
light
it
maybe
for
takes
waves
you out.
or slow and
Like
fast.
maybe it would be cool if
This
you
is
had
a
the
device
strobe,
you can
like,
combine with a lot of other
you
things
have, like, a
because
control
you
here.
lie on it or sit on
Yeah,
you,
but
You're like,
lie on it, and then you
instead
get
of
the body.
sometimes when I was like
together.
getting
Yes.
in,
Good idea.
Alright, but
I'm
Because
holding
they are
the
that's
thing
cheap.
a little bit.
Vladimir.
Yeah,
It's
good.
more-
It's
more
a good
comfortable.
idea. Yeah.
They used for I don't know,
Massage
Vladimir's
mattress.
is
The tech, yeah.
Mount.
Did you listen to what that Sam
I
said?
was saying it would be.
You mean you can put
sometimes
your
I felt
industrial
myself
music in it?
going out a little bit
Mhm.
because of holding the
Ah,
thing.
then you
Yeah,
have to
but-
program
I'm
it for
making the
yourself.
connection. I'm holding this.
Might be
Maybe
possible.
if you had the strobe, like
I'm interested.
Some
like a
noise.
control.
Yeah.
More,
but-
less
But
physical
for this
It's,
connection.
actually,
it's called Lucille number 3. That's what it is. They do it like this. Yeah.
It
As a
works.
controller.
It works.
It works, but the point is that you
The less connection you have with the object, the more, you know.
you need to hold. It's another channel of the holding, and it's another
Yeah,
channel of
maybe it's
information.
something where you like squeeze or something. You know,
Oh
something.
yeah, it would be also possible. Yeah, yes, if you squeeze, whatever. Yeah, but you need to do something with hands. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the idea.
But like, so you forget that you're
Yes,
holding
yes.
a light.
So much ideas.
But it's,
Yeah, the massage pad is a really good idea. Really.
Yeah.
yeah, like the physical.
Yeah. Oh. Here is.
That's really good for hein. C'est bon pour la santé, c'est comme aller à la plage.
Oh.
quoi.
Okay. I will stop it.